This video is about delay or echo. I have here a delay pedal on which I can select different basic delay sounds using this knob. For example, an analog delay, tape delay, lo-fi delay, or a delay with modulation effect. The echo is adjusted with the level knob, with the delay knob, and with the feedback knob. The FX level knob adjusts the volume of the echo signal. If I turn it all the way to the left, you won't hear any echo. If I continue to turn it to the right, the echo gets louder and louder. With the delay knob, I can select the delay time. In this position, the delay time is very short. If I keep turning, it gets longer and longer. The feedback knob controls the number of echo repeats. Low value. If I turn the knob to the left, I have 1 repeat. If I turn it more to the right, the number of repeats increases, and they slowly fade away with each repeat. A typical delay sound is the so-called slapback echo with a very short delay time. For this effect, I turn the delay knob to the 9 o'clock position with short echo repeats and a medium volume from the echo signal. Tape echo is a good choice for this effect. The echo is also very good for guitar solo sounds. This is because it extends the sound. You could try using a slightly longer echo, a longer delay time, and also a bit more feedback or more echo repeats. The effect level is also a bit higher. The effect then sounds like this. The modulation delay is great for chord accompaniment. The delay time can be a bit bigger, and you can use slightly more feedback, but reduce the effect level slightly so the delay signal is not so prominent. A very typical delay sound is the sound of the Edge from U2, who incorporates the echo into his riffs. The echo is just as loud as the original guitar signal. He has his delay taps adjusted to dotted eighths. That's a delay time like this. Let's use the 2290 delay without modulation. Less feedback, so it doesn't sound too blurry. We'll use a high effect level, so the delay signal is almost as loud as the direct guitar signal.